Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of creatine, specifically the most popular form, creatine monohydrate. We'll be exploring the top 7 creatine monohydrate supplements to help you maximize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. Let's jump into the 7 best monohydrate creatine supplements on the market. Before we explore our top picks, let's quickly talk about why monohydrate creatine is a must-have in your supplement arsenal. It's renowned for its effectiveness in increasing muscle strength and size, making it a staple for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Animal Creatine XL Powder. Animal Creatine XL Powder is a new supplement on the market, promising to help you maximize strength, boost endurance and performance, delay fatigue, and improve recovery. This supplement combines creatine monohydrate, the most researched and effective form of creatine, with additional ingredients like betaine anhydrous, purple force, a patented ingredient made from Kenyan purple tea extract, and Senactive. These additional ingredients are claimed to further enhance the benefits of creatine by promoting muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. All of these products are produced in our GMP-certified U.S. plant, and every batch is third-party lab tested for quality, safety, and potency. Thanks to our intentional formulations, our products work synergistically across their range. A natural Kenyan purple tea extract designed to improve exercise performance and endurance, reduce fatigue, help with post-workout recovery, and support improvements in fat metabolism. Supercharged creatine is a safe and effective supplement for both men and women that we recommend nearly everyone add to their supplement regimen. Animal Creatine XL Powder is a promising new creatine supplement that combines the benefits of creatine monohydrate with additional ingredients claimed to further enhance performance. However, more research is needed on these additional ingredients. As with any supplement, it's important to consult with your doctor before using Animal Creatine XL Powder, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate.
Cellucor Cor-Performance. Creatine monohydrate is a supplement designed to help you maximize your workout performance and achieve your fitness goals. It features the most well-researched form of creatine, creatine monohydrate, delivered in a micronized form for enhanced absorption. Micronized creatine monohydrate ensures optimal absorption and utilization by your muscles. 5 g of creatine per serving delivers the clinically proven dosage for maximizing results. Allows for easy mixing with your favorite pre-workout or post-workout drink. Free from artificial sweeteners and colors that's suitable for individuals with dietary restrictions. Creatine monohydrate, a well-studied foundational muscle-building ingredient, supports the rapid production of cellular energy to enhance muscular strength, endurance, and growth through replenishing the body's ATP levels. Cellucor Cor-Performance. Creatine monohydrate may be beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to build muscle, increase strength, improve their performance in various types of exercise, reduce fatigue, and improve overall fitness. 1 scoop of Cor-Performance creatine contains 5 g of micronized creatine to support strength and muscle. Cellucor Cor-Performance. Creatine monohydrate is a simple yet effective creatine supplement that provides the benefits of creatine monohydrate in a convenient and unflavored form. It's a good choice for individuals looking for a basic creatine supplement to enhance their workouts and reach their fitness goals.
Naked Nutrition Pure Micronized Creatine.
NAKD Nutrition. Pure Micronized Creatine Monohydrate is a straightforward creatine supplement, offering pure creatine monohydrate in a micronized form for optimal absorption. Creatine monohydrate is a well-known and researched supplement that is commonly used to support athletic performance and muscle growth. The micronized form of creatine may have advantages in terms of solubility and absorption compared to non-micronized creatine. No fillers or additives, providing the benefits of creatine without unnecessary ingredients. Smaller creatine particles ensure maximum utilization by your muscles. Adapts to your preferred pre-workout or post-workout drink, or simply water. Unlike other brands, Naked Creatine dissolves quickly in water or your juice of choice. Naked Nutrition website provides minimal details on their manufacturing process and quality control measures. NAKD Nutrition. Pure Micronized Creatine Monohydrate is a solid option for individuals seeking a simple and effective creatine supplement. It delivers pure creatine monohydrate in a micronized form, ensuring optimal absorption and utilization. Its unflavored nature, vegan and gluten-free certifications, and competitive price point are further advantages. However, the potential for digestive issues and the lack of information on manufacturing and quality control might deter some users. Naked Nutrition offers a competitive price compared to other brands of pure creatine monohydrate. Consider starting with a lower dosage or using a different form of creatine if you're prone to digestive issues.
Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate. Animal Creatine XL powder is a new supplement on the market, promising to help you maximize strength, boost endurance and performance, delay fatigue, and improve recovery. This supplement combines creatine monohydrate, the most researched and effective form of creatine, with additional ingredients like betaine anhydrous, purple force, a patented ingredient made from Kenyan purple tea extract, and Senactive. These additional ingredients are claimed to further enhance the benefits of creatine by promoting muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. All of these products are produced in our GMP-certified U.S. plant, and every batch is third-party lab tested for quality, safety, and potency. Thanks to our intentional formulations, our products work synergistically across their range. A natural Kenyan purple tea extract designed to improve exercise performance and endurance, reduce fatigue, help with post-workout recovery, and support improvements in fat metabolism. Supercharged creatine is a safe and effective supplement for both men and women that we recommend nearly everyone add to their supplement regimen. Animal Creatine XL powder is a promising new creatine supplement that combines the benefits of creatine monohydrate with additional ingredients claimed to further enhance performance. However, more research is needed on these additional ingredients. As with any supplement, it's important to consult with your doctor before using Animal Creatine XL powder, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Optimum Nutrition Creatine Monohydrate.
Optimum Nutrition, ON, Micronized Creatine Monohydrate is a popular and well-respected supplement in the fitness world, trusted by athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Optimum Nutrition has a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality and reliable sports nutrition supplements. Optimum Nutrition Micronized creatine powder is manufactured with the same creatine monohydrate found in our other premium creatine products. This creatine for women and men is formulated to support explosive movements. These creatine nutritional supplements have 5 g of creatine monohydrate in just one serving. Use these creatine supplements to support muscle size, strength, and power when used consistently over time in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular weight training. Smaller creatine particles ensure better absorption and utilization by your muscles, maximizing the effectiveness of the supplement. Adapts to your preferred pre-workout or post-workout drink, or simply water. Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate is a reliable and effective option for individuals seeking a high-quality creatine supplement. It delivers micronized creatine monohydrate, ensuring optimal absorption and utilization, and provides the clinically recommended dosage for muscle building. The unflavored nature, keto-friendliness, and multiple size options cater to various preferences and needs. However, the slightly higher price point and the bulk powder form might be minor drawbacks for some users. Bulksupplements.com. Bulksupplements.com. Creatine monohydrate powder offers a straightforward approach to creatine supplementation, providing pure micronized creatine monohydrate at an affordable price. When you want to pack on muscle, our creatine monohydrate powder can help. Supplementing with our creatine monohydrate powder, or creatine powder, will give your muscles the extra support it needs to reach their full potential. Plus, add creatine powder or micronized creatine monohydrate powder to your daily routine to push your goals. Get the boost of energy you've been missing with our creatine supplements. Our creatine monohydrate powder, or creatine powder, helps to feed your muscles with more energy for energy support and endurance. No added ingredients or fillers, ensuring you get the benefits of pure creatine without paying for unnecessary extras. Smaller creatine particles enhance utilization by your muscles, maximizing the effectiveness of the supplement. BulkSupplements.com offers one of the most competitive prices for pure creatine monohydrate, making it accessible to individuals on a budget. BulkSupplements.com. Creatine monohydrate powder is a solid choice for individuals seeking a simple and affordable creatine supplement. It delivers pure micronized creatine monohydrate, ensuring optimal absorption and utilization at a competitive price. The unflavored nature, gluten-free and non-GMO certifications, and variety of sizes are additional advantages. However, the potential for digestive issues, limited customer reviews, and bulk powder form might deter some users.
FX Creatine Monohydrate Pill Supplement.
EFX Sports. Crealkaline. EFX takes a unique approach to creatine supplementation by offering pH-correct creatine monohydrate in pill form. Crealkaline. EFX undergoes a patented process that buffers the creatine to a higher pH, potentially minimizing conversion to creatinine and enhancing absorption. Creatine monohydrate is the single most studied sports supplement ever. It's the top pre- and post-workout compound for athletes and bodybuilders who want to gain muscle mass, increase power, enhance performance, and accelerate muscle recovery. Crealkaline EFX is 99.9% pure creatine monohydrate, science-backed, clinically tested, and safe. Precision-filled Crealkaline EFX capsules mean no mixing, measuring, or guessing. Just grab the bottle from your gym bag, take a few capsules, and get to work. This creatine capsule supplement is the perfect way for athletes of all kinds to enjoy the undeniable benefits of creatine while on the go. No excuses, just muscle gains. EFX Sports uses pharmaceutical-grade creatine monohydrate for optimal purity and potency. EFX Sports is part of a very small, elite group of brands who actually make their own products. That's why we guarantee Crealkaline EFX always meets label claims and is 100% banned substance-free. EFX Sports Crealkaline EFX is a promising option for individuals seeking a convenient and potentially more effective form of creatine.
Creatine monohydrate is a powerful supplement that can help you maximize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. By choosing the right creatine supplement for your needs, you can experience the benefits of this well-researched and effective ergogenic aid. And there you have it, the 7 best monohydrate creatine supplements to fuel your fitness journey. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness insights, and share it with your workout buddies. Thanks for joining us today. If you're ready to take your strength training to new heights, consider investing in one of these fantastic adjustable dumbbells. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness-related content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And most importantly, happy lifting!